What's up, everybody? Welcome to Labyrinth Garage. What's up, everybody? Before we get to the actual video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty, low-profile, long-reach with rapid pump, dual piston design. Fucking floor jack. Also has a foot pump too for hands-free quick lifting. Let's go ahead and get into it.
This is not a sponsored video.
You're gonna watch me manhandle the box today, and I don't feel like actually opening this up properly. First piece. Oh, looks so nice. Oh, it's got a foam piece on it.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Fancy,
Okay.
fancy.
Gotta clip that bitch in. Damn, that shit's tall as fuck. This shit's.
It's kind of dull, yeah.
Look at that. Y'all can see the grippers. The grippers are out today. And of course, it is the size of the box.
Ooh, that thing is huge.
Look at that. Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at that. You got a poster of the fucking floor jack. Orange one. Orange manual. We don't do that. We don't read shit around here.
He's lying, we do.
Oh God. That's not that easy though. The backside heavy as fuck. There we go.
Sheesh.
Grab the fucking sword of a fuck.
You think this one's going this hole right here, my boy?
Probably.
Ooh, it's all lubed up.
Yeah, this was good right here. Are you sure about that though? Oh yeah,
Yes.
it is. Look. I want to take that. Thank you. Just stop. It stops it.
Oh, nice.
It's a little stopper.
Quick little unboxing video.
Let's see if it works now. Let's tighten this bitch up. Ooh, look at that. It's also got a foam rubber piece. I want to see how this works.
Wait, hold on, move.
That's fucking quick as fuck.
That's easy as hell, dude.
Damn, that shit goes up high as fuck though.
I don't even think that's all the way up. I didn't even fucking continue.
Click it again. There's no need, bro.
Like,
There's no
that's pretty
need.
fucking tall.
And then
Sheesh.
tighten it back up. Boom.
Sheesh.
This shit's heavy as fuck though. This on the ground. No shot. I am on the bitch, right? Yeah, I am. Let's save this piece for just in case.
To be honest, I don't think you're gonna need it on a new one, but
I mean, because it could be this piece. That's
I mean,
messed
yeah,
up.
it could be that piece. You're right.
Of course, this motherfucker put such big ass things in here. Hold that down.
And she's out.
New chromie set, dude. Chromie for the homie. Yeah, this ain't far enough out. I don't know what is. What should be part of the battery?
That'd be pretty interesting.
Set that ball right there. I don't know how we're gonna take this bitch off.
I don't either.
Should we just pull it like that?
I mean, you could try spinning it, right? Like spin it this way a little bit.
There we go.
Hey.
I tried it at first. I just didn't want to budge.
Yeah.
No, my battery. I caught it. Ow. So no. You're gonna record it on the ground. I saw that shit.
I was getting ready to zoom in on it and everything.
Ew. You about to see. It's actually a good thing to have a baby set of wrenches, if you didn't know that. Because like trying to do clutch springs with regular wrenches don't work. See?
Nice.
If you didn't know that. First. You think it's good enough? It's kind of flush at the top.
That looks fine.
Or do you think I should go flush with the bottom?
Well, I mean, I don't think you can go much farther down at the bottom, my boy.
We could try it though.
I mean, there isn't that much space at the bottom.
I get that, but
Like it looked practically flush already.
Oh, did it? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll widen it just a little bit more, just in case.
Like, it looked practically flush already.
There we go. See, look. Now it's bulging to the top.
Just a tad bit. Not even a lot.
That's mine.
What? Don't give a fuck. Fuck you.
Motherfucker. This is not my drink. Starts drinking all the owns the bitch.
I do. Possession's 9 cents of law. It was in my possession.
Technically, it's in both our possessions. On a technical standard.
So we have visitation rights.
For y'all that's at home right now, that's listening to what
Nice.
just happened, we have a Sprite sitting off to the side. Both of us have a single Sprite. He grabs mine.
I didn't know he got one, to be fair.
Well, because he grabbed one and didn't just ask me if I wanted one. And I said,
We were
okay.
coming back into the garage anyway.
I said, okay. I see how it is.
You actually didn't say that?
No, I didn't. I'm kind of afraid to tighten this down too much. Then it's sturdy.
Just get it to where it doesn't move. Give it one ugga.
Y'all like that is. That's too much already.
Oh yeah, stop. I would stop.
You see how light it is? Like, that's already too much. Like,
So nice.
now we got access
Prestige.
to the
Let's just wait. Put that back down. Put that in. Let's just open the battery bay real quick.
Open to the back rooms real quick. Pull this down.
Maybe we can find my pillow.
Maybe. Bitch. Ooh. Give me that. Batteries in there. You know what's funny? Just like how he did it, I'm not even gonna actually tie the battery down. I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. It doesn't really move once it's in the correct spot.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, see how it just dropped in there? Look.
Right, she ain't moving.
Yeah.
You wanna plug that up real quick and then we'll fucking
See if it starts.
see if it'll start?
Yeah.
How snug is that?
It's pretty snug. Look. See? And I loosened all the way up.
Oh, sweet. Okay. I was just wondering because that was the one you were having a problem with on the other one.
Yeah. We'll really find out once I start tightening it. They have a bunch of chromies, dude.
Bunch of crap. That's not good, man. You should really keep it limited. See the amount of chromies you have.
Yeah, no, I should probably go to the doctor. Talk to the doctor real quick. Well, I'll be able to tell you if I need the wedge or not. Like the actual metal.
Yeah.
We might need that. Go a little tighter. But I don't think I'm getting to the point where it's too tight, you know what I mean? Not too tight, but it won't get too much tighter. Yeah, I'm gonna need it.
Oh, damn.
Where I put that wedge at?
You put it in that little cubby over there somewhere.
How do I want to sit this in here? Right here? Yeah, shit, I might have to open this up or shit. We were chilling. I was like, what the fuck was that?
Sorry if the camera's a little bit shaky. We're not using a tripod this time.
Yeah, it's a quick ass job. There's no point setting up the tripod.
Tripod?
Yeah. It's more than good enough. What do you think?
I think so.
It's kind of hard to. I need to get a piece like that for the negative side. What do you think?
What do you mean? Yeah, probably. Just to be safe.
That means we'll have to cut this up.
Yeah. Kind of sucks, but.
It'll make everything so much easier.
Yeah, let's wait until you rewire the whole thing.
I don't even want to talk about that right now. I think that's good. What do you think?
I think it's fine.
Now we can say. Oh god. Ooh, saw that little sparky spark.
Actually, did not. I hope the fucking camera did, though.
Dude, it's a top hat. It's not even a top hat.
It's a fucking. It has a washer on it.
A crush washer.
Oh, let me see.
And it's like stuck together. That looks like a 12. What do you think?
I would say.
It's not a 10 because that's a 10.
Definitely a 12. I figured out if I just want to be right about both, I'll just go by what you say.
It just shows you how much shit I mess with. Honestly,
Well, I've actually gotten pretty good at guessing what sizes they are now.
I think that's tight enough.
Yeah, it's tight, yeah.
Maybe not. This must not be tight enough.
I mean, I don't think it can get any tighter. Not without a new crush washer. I mean, it's only moving with a lot of force.
Yeah, that's true. That let's be. It's in.
All right, you want to give it a little starty start? Volume way down.
Well, we'll catch you next time. Go ahead and check out our other videos, please. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And don't get lost in the labyrinth. Peace out.